If your bus sounds like it's hissing, it's not a snake. It's just being really efficient. So here's the deal. That hissing noise you hear when the bus doors open or close, it's all about air pressure. Buses use a pneumatic system, basically air-powered magic, to operate the doors. When the doors move, the compressed air is released, making that distinctive hiss. Think of it as the bus's way of saying, "Doors are open, hop on." Without this system, bus doors would be slower and less reliable. Imagine 100 people waiting for a door to open. Yikes! Next time, when you hear that hiss, you'll know it's just the bus showing off its engineering smarts. Got more questions about everyday mysteries? Drop them in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this little nugget of info, hit that subscribe button for more cool content. Catch you on the next ride.